The rollout strategy would be threefold. First, you have to decide what the bot is going to do. So we'd want to make sure that the scope is narrow. Certainly at this time, it would be related to basic COVID-19 frequently asked questions. It would be available 24/7. You want to ensure that it is going to be available by internet, on the phone, website, all the time. Identify the intent. So for us, the intent would be to provide communication more quickly and more efficiently to the community, and also to free up space in the call center and the clinical realm for triaging those true clinical questions. Number two, you want to select a platform and build the bot. So currently, Lane County Public Health does not have any chatbot-friendly applications. There are a number of applications that they do use: MS Teams, Zoom, WebEx, Business Smartsheets, and Cognito Forms, but from what I was able to gather, none of those have a chatbot feature. MS Teams has one internally, but I wasn't able to determine if they have one that you can use externally on the website. Because it's a government website, it has to meet strict security requirements, and there's a limited budget. Though for COVID, there were funds and grants and things earmarked for technology, so perhaps launching something like this could be budgeted through COVID-specific funding. You'd have to collaborate with the IT team and make sure that they're working with the communicable disease team and the emergency operations center to ensure that the bot is relying on correct information each day, and you want to create a plan for regularly monitoring and maintaining the IT side of things during the emergency, and checking regularly for data correctness and information correctness, because it was changing all the time. So that would be a human who would have to do that. And the final thing would be to launch the bot and monitor its activity. Ultimately, you would want to train the existing call center staff, testing and vaccine clinic and CD staff. So that would be the frontline public health staff, the ones that are most likely to be questioned by the public. For everyone else, you could provide a short training of where the bot lives on the website and the types of questions it can answer. You want to create a link for county staff to go quickly to that chatbot, even internally. Make sure that the chatbot policy is written and documented and approved, and that staff understand and acknowledge the training side of things. This is already a process. So you would just create a new policy and training and documentation for this particular policy, but you would use the same templates and things like that for everything else that the county used. And then you could provide the more in-depth training to the frontline public health staff, as mentioned previously, about the types of information it's offering and how often we're updating it, and how the staff should direct users to the chatbot. You could place the chatbot on our Lane County Public Health COVID-19 website. This is a screenshot from the current web page where there's the non-emergency call center. It's only open from 9 to 2, Monday through Friday. So there is significant opportunity to increase the communication availability by adding a 24/7 chatbot. Anticipated measurable outcomes would be number of queries received daily by the chatbot, number or percentage of calls accurately forwarded to the call center, and that would be determined by the call center themselves, saying they would have to document, what kind of question came to them, and then you would assess from their documentation, was that correctly sent to the call center, or was that a question that should have been able to be answered by the chatbot? And then you could offer a customer satisfaction survey at the end of each of their queries to determine if the community is enjoying the use of the chatbot. In summary, COVID-19 informational chatbot would be located on the website and mobile applications. It would be designed to streamline user experience, increase information access, increase user satisfaction, and increase staff satisfaction. The design of the chatbot would be that it should be successfully reprogrammable to include information beyond just the COVID-19 information in the future, and be able to interpret and navigate the Lane County Public Health website more fully. And that is the end of my presentation, the end of my health information technology innovation of using artificial intelligence generated chatbots on the Lane County Public Health website to support communication during a pandemic and beyond.